Hi, in this video, I want to show you how you can fix the problem if you create a funnel with the wrong currency. Unfortunately, you cannot update a funnel currency once you've created, but what you can do is create a new funnel and move over all the pages to the new funnel. And that's what I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new funnel. And I'm just going to say funnel one. And I'm just going to select custom because I don't want any pages added to this funnel. And now this time, make sure you select the right currency, okay? Once you select the right currency, once you select the currency, there's no changing it. So make sure that this time you select the right one and you save. So now you see that funnel should be empty. It's completely empty. And let's say this was the funnel you had created with the wrong currency. All you're going to do is you're going to hover over to the ellipsis and select move. And you're going to select the new funnel that you created and you save it. So now that welcome page that I had in my old funnel is now in this new funnel. Now you have to click funnels again because you need to go back to the old one, and you have to do this one by one. Every time you move it, it's going to take you to the new funnel, and then you select the new funnel and save. And again, go back to the old funnel, select the page you want to move, and then select the new funnel and save. And you see it's moving one by one each of the pages. And then you go to funnels again, select the old funnel, select move, select the new funnel, and save. So now all your pages are in the new funnel. You do need to make sure you change each of the slugs now, because it's going to have a new slug, extended slug, because you cannot have two of the same slugs using the same domain. So just make sure you update, you go back and you update each slug accordingly. Let's see what else. And then you can just deactivate the old funnel. Now, with System.io, you can only deactivate the funnel. You cannot completely delete it. So that's something to take into account. You cannot completely delete it. It's just going to be hidden in your inactive funnel once you deactivate it. And another thing is, unfortunately, if you're in the freemium package, that inactive funnel still counts as part of your funnel total. So at this moment, as you can see here, I have two active funnels and one inactive funnels. That means I have three total funnels. So if I needed to create another funnel, I would need to upgrade. That's just extra information, something to bear in mind as well. And I hope this helps.